there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet stitches in the back loop only. And when you crochet in a back loop only, you'll have exposed front loops that will create a ridge on one side, and then on the other side it looks smooth in one piece. So I'm using two colors so you can see where I'm inserting the hook and how it looks like. So let's start. I'll show you how to make a single crochet in a back loop only. Like I said, there's two loops in the stitch and we will be working into the back loop only. Yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over through the two loops, and this is how you make a single crochet in a back loop only. Now let's make a half double crochet in a back loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook through the back loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all three loops on your hook. And this is how you crochet the half double crochet in a back loop only. Now the final stitch I want to show you is the double crochet in a back loop only. Again, yarn over, insert your hook through the middle of the stitch and pick up just the back loop, the loop that is away from you, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull a loop through the two loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through the two loops. And this is how you crochet stitches in the back loop only.